I have a beautiful tree, and I want to take a picture before I
Oh, okay. So this is my unicorn slime. Guys, look at it. It's so good. It's the best slime. Okay. Hannah's over here. Hannah. Hannah. Hannah doesn't want to show herself. I'm not thinking of this house. David. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. No, don't follow. I don't have Instagram. Follow me on. Of course. Snapchat. I've been having some of my mom pictures, but okay. The first thing I'm gonna put the shoe. I'm gonna prank my daughter. I have her shoe. I'm gonna put some slime inside her shoe. About this much, how much it can fit. But don't do this to your real daughter. This one is just my adopted daughter. I have to act like nothing is happening. Here's one shoe. I have slime in it. Okay. Your daughter that has new shoes, do it. Oh my god, my phone. My camera. That just happened and I got a mess. Oh my god. Okay. There. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some on the left one.
Yeah, he's good. McDonald's, Wendy's.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave the slime in the container.
Alexa, please give me some merengue. Wait this up. Merengue.
Mom, I want something to dessert.
I don't like to in my kitchen.
What?
I want dessert. I want ice cream.
Alexa, play merengue.
It's gonna take a little while, like a second. Okay, almost finished. What the heck is this? What is this? Stop the music. I got some on the sofa. Something inside. I'm gonna prank them that we're going somewhere.
Alexa, merengue radio.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa,
I just got pranked.
Juan Luis Guerra.
Okay, somebody's calling. I hang. I don't want to, because I don't want to use my beautiful camera. Some people call me with my phone. So I pranked Tana. I'll prank her again. And go follow her. Okay. Tana! Shut up! This is she's a glitter. Then my last one. I love it. Smell it, guys. Smell it. It smells so good. I'm gonna see how much can fit in Tana's shoe. Tana, like, about that much, okay? That's how much can fit inside Tana's shoe. Oh my, it's gonna stick. Oh my god. And make sure to subscribe. Hit the subscribe. To subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell in the comments. What one you like better? This one or the unicorn poop? Okay, bye. I know it's a quick video now.